Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today we are going to do some cable management. Basically we're going to sort out all these wires underneath that are dangling down and look like an eyesore and tidy it up, and also redo my desk on my cable management there using this cable organiser, which I've done a video for earlier, a few days ago. So with that I'll just quickly tell you what I'm going to be using. Obviously that for my desk, Velcro for some of the bits underneath, like my power unit for my USB power unit, and this is a cable management thing I'm going to be using. This is about 2 meters long and it has a sticky side, so you just peeled it off, and I'm going to stick it to the underneath of the computer desk, so it just sticks there. So I'm going to cut it to size and measure it out, cut it to size, and then just stick it on and run all the cables through it. And then all I do is I'm going to cut some bits out so that all the cables come out in one place, hopefully. That's the theory anyway. And I need to move all this out, so that's got to come out, that's got to come out, that's got to come out, so I can get behind it, because I need to get behind it, and also I want to get the camera behind it as well so you can see me filming it. So shall we get on with it? that's it, I'm all finished. All I've got to do is sort out that power cable, make it a bit tidier, and that's about it. So, oh, and of course I've used my new cable manager or organiser from Envisioned. Used all the little cable ties that came with it as well. That was very helpful. So not a bad little package that. I'll stick a link in case you want to buy one. You get 10% discount on the UK market. So let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to look in the descriptions for the 10% discount. And if you have any questions, like I said, put them in the comment section and I'll try and answer them best I can. So with that, thank you very much for watching, and if you like my video, give me the thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.